Hello German learners, and welcome back to my channel Dream Germany. In this lesson you will learn verbs with accusative case in German. So let's begin. There are 4 grammatical cases in German. Nominativ, Accusative, Dativ, and Genitiv. If you want to learn about these, you can click here. German verbs with the accusative case are verbs where the direct object must be in the accusative case, changing its article. Der tu den. Ein tu einen. In this video you will learn only about the accusative case. Here is the table of German definite article which you have already studied in A1 level. So let's study them a little more closely. Here are some key concepts for better understanding. Accusative case marks the direct object, answering whom or what. It specifically identifies who or what is directly receiving the action. Accusative verbs. Verbs that require an object in the accusative case for the sentence to be grammatically complete. A grammatically complete German sentence requires a subject and a conjugated verb, typically following subject plus verb plus object. Direct object. The person or thing directly affected by the verb's action. Now you will learn how it's work. First you need to identify the verb. Find the action word in the sentence. To find the action verb in a German sentence, look for the word that expresses what the subject is doing. Secondly, you have to see what action is being taken and for whom. And third, apply case. The answer is the accusative object, and its article changes. In the German accusative case, only masculine articles change, while feminine, neuter, and plural articles remain the same as in the nominative case. Common accusative verbs for A2 level. Haben. Brauchen. Suchen. Besuchen. Laufen. Essen. Trinken. Liebe. Mögen. Anrufen. Make sentences with these verbs. Now let's make some examples. Nummer 1. Ich habe den Schlüssel. I have the key. Pay attention now. In this sentence, key is the direct object which is receiving the action. And key is a masculine noun. So the article der will be changed to den. Nummer 2. Dr. Müller sucht den Kuli. Dr. Müller is looking for the pen. In this sentence, pen is the direct object which is receiving the action. And pen is also a masculine noun. So the article der will be changed to den. Nummer 3. Ich brauche den Rucksack. I need the backpack. In this sentence, backpack is the direct object which is receiving the action. And backpack is also a masculine noun. so the article dar will be changed to den. It's important to know the gender of everything in German. Remember one thing. For feminine neuter plural the article do not change. Let's see a feminine example. Wir besuchen die Freundin. We are visiting the friend. In this sentence friends are the direct object which is receiving the action. And it is a feminine noun. I hope you enjoyed the video. So keep learning German and have fun. Please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.